Hey guys, the car you are seeing today isn't at any dealership, nor is it in a BMW factory just yet. But let me be honest with you. If BMW executives saw these images, they probably wouldn't sleep tonight. I've always wondered, why doesn't BMW make a pickup truck? After all, what would an M-badged truck look like? I sat down, let my imagination run wild, and together with AI, I created this X10 M concept. Let's take a closer look and see what this machine is all about. Guys, pay close attention to the design. Those massive kidney grills, those sharp-looking LED headlights. It's as if the car is looking right at you and saying, "Just wait, here I come." Look at the size of the wheels. The width of those fenders gives the car such a stance that you'd think a tank is approaching. But this car isn't meant just for city driving. With this suspension system and these tires, you can easily conquer even the toughest rocky terrains. It's both a luxury vehicle and an absolute beast. Now let's move inside to the cabin. Look, this has to be the best-looking BMW interior. The exterior of the car is rugged and looks massive, but when you look inside, the cabin is a whole different world. Merino leather everywhere, every detail is made of carbon fiber. When you sit in it, you feel like you're in a pilot's cockpit. I wanted the person driving this car to be able to go off-roading through mountains and rocks, while also feeling that famous German comfort right to their bones. So, what's hiding under the hood of this car? Imagine a 4.4-liter V8 backed by a hybrid system. We are talking about a massive 720 horsepower. Do you know what that means? A body this huge hit 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.7 seconds. Imagine stopping at a traffic light with a sports car next to you, and with this pickup, you just leave them in the dust. Guys, I was so excited while creating this concept. I think there is a gap in BMW's model lineup, and the X10 M fills that gap perfectly. What do you think? If BMW produced a car like this, would you trade in your current car for it? I'm waiting for your comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.